gonna work? Is it gonna work?
Oh!
Good job! 3-pointer!
Oh.
Today we are bringing you 2 new ways to play the Tippet game. For game number 1, I've simply taken little pieces of tape, put various numbers 1, 2, and 3 on them. There's an equal number of all of them, but the placement on the colors is totally random. So not only are we trying to get the little tiles when we're doing it, but each tile is worth a different number. So you may, for instance, have 2 green pieces on there. One could be worth 1, 1 or 3. One may be an easier, less risky move, but you may want to try for 3 just to get the extra points, even if it means tipping it a little bit more. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Grant is gonna go first for us. Red. Ooh, there's a red 3 right there.
Red.
And 2 red ones.
Now hopefully get that.
Good job.
Wait, I gotta do one more.
Oh, I would put a tile back, but I don't have any.
Yeah. No.
Red.
Red.
1, 1. Just 2 1-pointers.
1, 1, 1.
Good job. That's awesome. Orange.
Oh.
There's a 3-pointer orange right here.
2. That's gonna make it 4.
Ta-da!
Okay, gotta make it.
What's he gonna be? Green. Oh, there's a green
Yeah.
3. And it's like a perfect pick there too.
1,
That
2,
was
3, 4,
awesome.
5, 6, 7.
7.
That's 7.
7 to 3.
2.
Ooh, this one has 2 green
6,
3s on it right here. That is definitely where I'm going. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work?
Oh,
Good
yes.
job! 3-pointer.
Oh.
This one's only worth 1 point, but I think it's gonna be my safer bet.
13.
It's so close. Ooh. Ooh, a 2-pointer or a 3-pointer. This one though may be safer, because that one may not get over.
No, that one.
It's pretty tipsy right now.
Get up.
That's amazing that it just stayed up.
Get up.
Here, let's help you just a little bit. That's so close, it's so close.
No, I can't.
Wait for this one. This one's gonna be your best bet.
Best bet. Wait, that one.
Ooh, he's going for the risky 3-pointer. Oh!
I got it just in the nick of time.
No, okay, so we're not gonna count that 3-pointer. So we're gonna still just go by points no matter who knocked it off. I had 8.
5,
3, 6, 9. Yeah, no, you're right, it's 12. High five! Grant is our big winner. For the second way to play Tippet, I've taken just little pieces of blue tape and put them around each of the colors on the spinner board. And we have 3 different challenges. You can make up any that you want, but the 3 that we're doing is you actually have to do 2 at a time on one, using your opposite hand. So if you're right hand dominant, doing your left hand, or vice versa.
upside down.
And then the other one is using this upside down to lift it out. Let's see. So I have a green one, upside down.
That one's actually really easy. I tried it before.
You tried it before and it's not too hard?
Yes.
Awesome. Opposite hand. Orange on the opposite hand.
I'm really good at this one too.
Good job. Oh, I have to put one of them back
No,
on.
that's closely right there.
Yeah, it was like barely on the edge of the red. But it was definitely still in the blue.
Oh,
Orange. Opposite hand.
Oh,
That's the same as you got last time.
opposite hand.
If you guys enjoy playing other board games as well and want additional ideas of 2 new ways to play various ones, go ahead and click on the iCard up here.
6.
And it'll take you to a playlist with a few different games that we've done. Good job.
Hope you don't get opposite hand.
Oh, put a tile back again.
Yay!
But I don't have any to put back. 2 at a time. So he's gonna pick an orange and then take that one and one underneath it as well. Here he goes, 2 at a time.
Gotta at least get one.
So cool.
Get one!
Good job. Oh, success.
Success.
So he got 4
Yeah,
tiles.
I
4 to
think-
0. I have a red upside down. I'm gonna go for this one. See if I can get 1 tile compared to Grant's 4. Ta-da!
Okay. Okay,
Upside down green.
Green.
That one looks like a good candidate right there. It's pretty
Oh,
tipsy on that
it's
side. To balance it out without tipping over. Nice
Oh,
job. Look at that. Such
One,
ease.
two.
I got the same as last time, which is a red upside down.
Wait.
2 at a time on orange again. Got 2 possibilities. It's pretty tipsy, so
That one?
2 at a time on this one may be pretty hard.
How about 3 at a time?
How about 3 at a time? Nope. He just wants to take that whole thing and bounce it off. This one's gonna be a little bit better for you than that one.
2, 3.
That's a really hard setup. I agree. Oh, and it tipped. But we're gonna count what Grant had to start, which is DJ Grant had 5, I had 2. So Grant is the big winner again.
Yeah!
So that is our 2 new ways to play Tip It. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. And be sure to subscribe so you can join all of our future family fun everyday games. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!
I got a pizza! Pepperoni! Nom 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 nom.